Hello gamers! Want to boost your Domino Dreams coins and stars without paying or grinding endlessly? I found an incredible method that gives you Domino Dreams free coins and stars instantly using an online generator. It's safe, works smoothly, and doesn't need you to install any risky software. Here's how it works. You just enter your Domino Dreams user ID, select your device type, and input how many coins and stars you want. Once that's done, the tool begins generating the resources. But to prevent abuse, it asks you to complete a simple verification task before finalizing the transfer. In my case, the task was to download a game and play until I reached level 9. It only took about 10 to 15 minutes. Based on your location, the task might be different, but as long as you follow what's shown, you'll get verified successfully. As soon as I completed it, I received all the coins and stars I requested. No bugs, no downtime, just free rewards right in my account. I've seen many fake Domino Dreams cheats and sketchy Domino Dreams free coins links, but this is the real deal. I've even unlocked extra Domino Dreams free spins using this method, which really took my gameplay to the next level. If you're tired of slow progress or buying coins, give this trick a go. It's the fastest and easiest way to win more.